In our session today, we want to talk about subnetting versus supernetting. Now, in our previous sessions, we have been looking at subnetting, and we said that subnetting is the process of dividing your IP network into subdivisions called subnets. In subnetting, the host IDs are borrowed to be used as a subnet ID. Supernetting, though, is the process of combining several IP networks with a common network prefix. In supernetting, what we do that is different from subnetting is that the bits are borrowed from the network part of the address. So for subnetting, we borrow bits from the host, and for supernetting, we borrow bits from the network part of the ID. Let us take a closer look at this example. Now, we have here an IP address with its subnet mask. This IP address and the subnet mask indicates that the first three parts of the IP address are used to identify the network. So we have the default subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0. If we borrow 2 bits from the network part, not from the host part, from the network part, this is called supernetting. So these 2 bits that we borrow, they're going to be changed to zeros. So we're going to be increasing the host part, and we're going to be decreasing the network part of the address. So we see here that the mask has changed from 255 to 252, because now we have 6 ones and 2 zeros, which gives us a 252 decimal number. Now, on the other hand, if we borrow 2 host bits, you're going to see that the network bits increase and the host bits decrease. And that is what we have been doing. We have been subnetting. Supernetting allows you to have more hosts on one network, while subnetting allows you to have more internetworks but less hosts. On page 8 of your required reading for subnetting, I want you to try out the practice subnetting questions and see how you do with those questions. Again, difference between supernetting and subnetting. Supernetting allows you to have more hosts on one network, whilst subnetting allows you to have more internetworks but less hosts. This is the end of our session. I want to thank you for listening.